So are you ready with Switch Talks?
Yes.
To start first?
No, sir.
Why?
Boys are also very
Dynamic. Nowadays girls.
Nowadays, girls are doing better comparative to boys,
Switch.
and
Nowadays boys are
the society and about the people. Friends always support. Family always gives the best. Friends always motivates and give the best.
There is a very famous ghats like Namo Ghat and
in India.
in India, CM Yogi Adityanath is very
India CM Yogi. So are you ready with Switch Talks?
Yes.
You.
yes, sir.
You want to start first?
No, sir.
Why? Why you don't want to start first? Okay, let us start with Ananya. Start.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Keshri and my today's topic in Switch Talk is girls.
You. Morning boss होगा.
Hello, everyone.
वापस से नहीं है.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aryan Yadav. So today's Switch Talk topic is boys.
Boss. You may start.
Being girl, I am representing all the girls of my country through my points.
In earlier time, there are only one resources to earn money for a family, and they are boys.
You.
Girls are more sensible and humble in natures.
Boys are mentally and physically strong. They can do all the work easily.
Switch.
Boys have many responsibility of boys in since their childhood. They have many pressures for doing work.
Girls are loyal and kind to everyone. Sir, घुल मिल जाते हैं.
They mingle.
They mingle with everyone.
Boys are very hardworking towards their work and towards their dream. Girls are also very responsible. They manage both.
Switch.
Boys are also very
Dynamic.
boys are also very loyal toward their family. They
किस टर्न बोलना था? अच्छा, girls. If the mother is ill, then the girl make food for everyone in the home.
Switch. Goes to you. Boys.
boys are very physically fit compared to girls. They have passionate about physical thing.
Boys are involved. Girls are involved in every field like cricket. Boys are also involved in every. Girls are kind by nature.
Boys in present time, boys can do everything. They can cook for their mother. If it's time for responsibilities, girls can manage both. And boys have so many emotions.
Switch.
Girls manage both in one time in their family, one side their family and another side their passion work.
Boys.
Boys are emotionally stronger and they can't melt anywhere.
Easily. नहीं होते ऐसा parent.
Easily.
They can't melt easily.
They can't melt easily.
Okay. Girls.
Girls is also very emotionally. Boys are very tolerative in nature.
Switch.
Girls are very
Switch.
hardworking, and when boys are very good in physical works, and they get.
You are asking me, yes. Listen, make a concentration, girls.
Girls. Nowadays, girls. Nowadays girls are doing better comparative to boys,
Switch.
and
Nowadays boys are comparative to girls.
yes.
Boys can do outworks for their family.
Switch.
Girls can also do work outside for their family. They can earn money. Boys can earn money for girls can earn money for their family, and they can also prove that they can also do. Boys earn. They don't see the pressure. They don't care about the pressure of the society. They only.
So nowadays girls are also pressurized by their parents to do jobs and many more things in society. Boys are also pressurized by their parents. They contain their family responsibility.
Girls also contain responsibility. Okay, clap for them. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Do you know about switch talks? Do you know about switch talks? Fine. Start. You may start.
Hello everyone, I am Vanshika and my topic is family.
Hello everyone, this is Sarthib Aziz and my topic is about friends.
You may start.
So friends are very friendly in nature for everyone, and they are very supportive for anyone.
When we talk about our family, family plays a very crucial role in someone's life, and by the support of family, each and everyone can aspire anything in life.
But sometimes the person who are not very friendly with family, who can share anything with friends.
Switch.
Friends. We can share our feelings, we can share our emotions with our friends easily, which we cannot comfortable in sharing with our family members.
Family members always support the children and always grows, and they financially support the friends. Always advise the person better for their families. Always think about the future of a children. That's why they support and they advise.
Friends. Friends motivate us, just like our family. Friends also motivate us to do something in which we are good.
Switch.
Family support a student or any person financially. Friends play a crucial role in life, and
Family.
no idea.
Friends.
Family.
Family. Family always give the best advice and the best for the future of a children, and always support. Friends always friends always motivate the persons and
Family. Family parents tell their children about conscience, that what is wrong and right for their future. Friends. If we talk about a student's life, so friends are crucial.
Switch. Goes to you.
Family gives us knowledge and about the society and about the people. Friends always support. Family always gives the best. Friends always motivates and give the better advice.
Family always inspire a person to grow our future. Friends.
Friends.
Sometimes friends advise.
Friends are very supportive and protective for the persons, and always
Switch.
family is also very protective for the children. That's why they give the best advice to them.
Yes.
If we talk about friends, we are enjoying with them, and there is a lot of enjoyment with friends.
Goes to you.
With friends, the person always forget the stress about the family. Family always keep maintaining the Friends all family. Friends.
Okay, fine. Clap for them. So you were ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready with the switch talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will start.
Good evening, everyone. This is Mohammad Afzal Khan, and my today's presentation topic is Switch Talk. Topic is America.
So hello everyone. My name is Aryan Seth, and today's my topic is India.
Yes, we'll start.
So, while we are talking to America, it is the leading global power and the major power of the world.
India is a very biggest country, and India is famous for many worship places like Kedarnath and Badrinath, etc.
So, for America, there is the leading power, and all the biggest companies who are leading in their sector are from America based.
Switch.
So in America, we saw there is the children of America, they were aware since their childhood for their career, and they do more better in their life.
So in India, we have diversities of nature, people, culture, and other things we are gone through in our life.
So in America, there is a children, or there are the children. Sir.
What are they, sir?
Sorry, sir. Switch. Okay, sir. In India, there is a very sir, आप switch करें. क्या बताएं? In India, there is a very famous ghats like Namo Ghat and
In India. Namo Ghat. What are you saying?
in India
We have many cultures.
we have many cultures and many diversity, and in Varanasi there is a Namo Ghat, is a very famous place.
Yes.
So you have said switch.
America.
Yes. So in America, there are people who are leading in their sectors, and there is a very sovereignty and security in the country.
In India, there is a education. The education system of India is very good, and good.
So in America, we have the friendly nature's people. In India, we have our first prime minister. In America, we have the people who are very friendly and they have a cultural. And in India, we have the people who are very friendly. In America, we have the people who are currently using their language English, and those people. In India, we have very cheap products. Those companies who have to set their infrastructure choose India.
Okay. In America, there is a past president Donald Trump. He do very much better for their country. And in India, CM Yogi Adityanath is very
India, CM Yogi.
in Varanasi. The CM of Varanasi, Yogi Adityanath, is a very Varanasi. UP.
You have messed up already.
Sir, आप Yes. In UP, CM Yogi Adityanath is very popular, and he is very nice.
You are talking about UP or in India?
UP,
Not India.
India, and in India there is a city, yani state.
You want to talk about India, not any state. Right. Start. In India.
In India.
Waiting for me.
In India, the CM of UP, Yogi
In India, the CM of You want to talk about India. CM Yogi Adityanath, Arvind Kejriwal. What is this? India. Talk about India.
Talk about India. We have very famous Indian cultures, and the foreigners also accepting our cultures. He follow our religions and our. In USA, there is a. In USA, there is a children also aware for their career. They also do part-time job and earn money. In India, the children are not aware for their career. They also wandering in the street. And in USA, the children are very high.
In America, the people who are engaged in their workings are getting more employment and compared to India.
Switch.
And in India, there are diversities. If you want to explore the world, in America, people who are engaged in their life have a lot of fun in their life because the culture of cars have.
In India, there is a lots of children in the nowadays who are interested in sports. They want to make their career in sports like cricket, and in USA the children.
What was that?
In USA,
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You want to start?
Yes, sir.
You may start now.
Hello everyone, this is Priya Yadav and my topic is village life.
You.
Hello everyone, myself Akriti Gupta, and I would like to give my opinion on city life.
Yes.
Village tends to be smaller and have a smaller population.
City has more population than in villages. City has the more popularity because in villages there was no more facilities than in cities.
In villages there are natural things like trees, tube wells.
Yes.
In cities, there are many ways to earn money. If you are well educated, you can join the popular companies to earn. In villages, there are many greeneries. There are many greenery. There are many trees to give us pure airs, fresh airs.
Cities are larger population than villages.
Okay, goes to you.
City. If you have lot of knowledge, you can earn money by opening in villages. There are more healthy peoples. They are more healthy and physically fit. In cities, there are many ways to earn money. If you are in villages, there are a strong bonding between the families, neighbors, friends, etc.
City.
In cities, they have a higher concentration of people's business and buildings.
In villages, there are less number of popularities because there are no many facilities available. In cities, there are many facilities are available like. In villages, in cities there are many hospitals, school, supermarkets. As you need, you can go there.
Villages may have their own village councils.
In villages, there are many greeneries who gave us fresh air to be more healthy. City. In cities, there are not a strong bonding between the families and friends. In villages, there are. Sir, कहाँ थे? In cities, there are many shops and many hospitals. If you are weak, then.
Okay, clap for them.